Hello, today we are going to do unboxing of this silvercrest mincer. Actually, I bought this late last year, and I haven't really used it. Well, it's still closed. So since now we're on isolation, everyone's posting food. So I guess I have to start using them. And a lot of Filipinos are posting Filipino food like longanisa, tocino, things like that. So I said, look, I'll use this mincer to make some longanisa or burgers. I actually got this in Lidl, and I think I bought it for like less than 30 euro, and it has a 30% discount that time. Now, let's open. And here's the manual and may English instruction siya. And then, I think pang ano to ng meat, pang push. And then this one, we'll see kung para saan siya. And this one, I think for making sausages. And here's the main thing. So ito, so I might open this plastic so we could see it. All right. And there's nothing else. Now we'll see how are we going to use this. I haven't used one before, so exciting. Okay, so let's just open all of this equipment. Oopsie. Okay. Like, never pa talaga ako naka-use ng ganito, so we're all gonna figure it out. I think this is for biscuits. Now we'll see if I could figure this out. Okay, so it says here, assembling the meat grinder. Let's figure out kung paano siya i-assemble. Alright? But this one, naka-assemble na siya. But bubuksan ko lang so you'll see kung ano yung nasa loob. Yeah, so yung disc, and then yung blade, ito yung blade niya. And then, hindi ko lang kung anong tawag dito. Okay, so yung blade, lalagay natin. And then yung disc. Yeah. And let's close. Ayan na. So, lalagay natin. Push. I think push from the side. And then, now, yeah. Ganyan. Then, ito yung sa meat tray. Yan. So, ready na siya. Kung gusto mo ng minced na chicken, minced beef, or lamb, or fish, ready na siya. And this one, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag kanina. I think pang push siya ng meat. So, once that ready, okay na siya. And then, I think this one is for making sausage. So, I'll show you how to put it on. Okay, to release yung attachment, ganyan lang. Ayan. Push lang to and then turn clockwise. Ayan. So, okay. So, ito yung pang meat. I-connect mo lang siya dito. And then, ito yung pang sarado niya. Medyo oily yung disc. So, medyo nag-oily. Yan. Ganyan. So, ready na siya. Then, you'll connect yung ano dito. Yung, if you have, I actually don't know kung ano yung tawag dun sa pag ano ng sausage. Yung, sometimes they use yung intestine ng animals or you can use plastic and take it out pag iluluto nyo na. And then, I think this one is here. Nakalagay naman siya dito sa picture. Like, yung empty siya sa loob. That one, if you could see it. So, cube attachment. It's called cube attachment. So, ganun lang din. Tatanggalin mo lang uli siya. And then you'll replace with this one. So the same. Now, okay, and then that's ready. And then you can make some biscuits as well. Obviously, madami siyang gamit. Now that nakita na natin yung mga parts niya, ibabalik ko siya ulit para makita natin ulit. And so I could get used to it as well. At the moment, hindi ko pa din talaga alam kung paano siya gamitin. But I'm sure matututunan ko din siya gamitin in the long run. And then kung ano yung mga kung ano yung mga magagawa ng machine na to. But I'm more excited sa paggawa ng burgers na at least I could choose my own meat, because sometimes when we buy our meat in the market or in the shop, we don't know how much fats in it, or you know. So at least with this one, I can choose my own. So that's a quick unboxing. Next time you see me, maybe I'll do some tutorial. Now, dahil sa lockdown, another unboxing. So we got this actually last year. Imagine, I think Don got this during Boxing sale, December, and it's already been 4 months. Don got it for €119. We love this brand, and I'm not too sure kung paano siya pronounce, but we call it Sage, and we love this brand. So the first thing actually na we bought from this brand is the juicer that we've been using for like 6 years now, and it's still good, you know. So I'm sure kung bibili uli kami ng juicer, yun uli yung bibilhin namin. The second product that we bought from this brand is our citrus presser. And it's very easy to use as well, and even Kian love using it. Let's open this one. It's a smart kettle, and we still have the receipt just in case. Put it down here, and as usual, we have our manual. Ta-da! Okay. Looks really nice. The main feature of this smart kettle is may particular temperature siya. You can see naman nakasulat siya. Like if you want green tea, it's 80 degrees, white tea for 85 degrees, oolong tea 90 degrees, and then your coffee should be on 95 degrees, and black tea for 100 degrees. Don't particularly like this kettle, because sometimes when we want green tea and then we're using the regular kettle, it's really hot. Like you still have to wait for a long time before you drink it, or you'll put cold water in it. But with this one, you don't need to. And the other good thing about this smart kettle is you can keep it warm here. and it has a soft lid opening. There you go. And it's not even connected. And then you can close it. It's really nice. I'm excited to have some tea. Now that we have unboxed this, the smart kettle, it's time to clean it and make some tea.